Well, 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 look what finally arrived. Holy cow. That only took almost a month for it to arrive here. What a debacle that was. Anyhow, this thing's cool. Look how tiny it is compared to my other one. Had a whole big husky box for the other one. Now I got this. I have a magnetic roof mount coming for it as well, so I'm excited to get all that done. And I got a ladder coming from Amazon, so I can hook that up and hopefully run it in 12 volts. And apparently you can just run the wire through the back doors on the seal and it won't bend the cable or anything. So that'll be a bonus, having Wi-Fi 24/7 basically. Nice. Hi Uma, how are you? Good girl. Alright guys, I wanted to show you my setup. This is the Mini. Look how small this thing is. So nice. But anyway, this is the Trio flat mount that I bought to put on the roof. You see there are magnets here on all four corners, so I can put it on the roof. I got a ladder coming today, a foldable, collapsible ladder. So I'm going to find a place to stow that in the van. Got to figure that one out. And yeah, it'll be nice to have that on the roof, hidden away. Don't have to worry about being run over or anything else. Yeah, I like the mount. You get it in black or white. Oh, and I've been getting speeds of like 200 megabits per second and good upload speeds, almost as good, if not better, than what my Gen 2 is getting. So I'm surprised by that. One cable's nice and tiny. That'll easily fit in the back door for sure. So yeah, and then I got all the 12 volt stuff to hook up to it. Yeah, things are looking up, that's for sure. I get my teeth tomorrow, got my Starlink back. What else is going on? And time's flying around here, that's for sure. I only have, 3 weeks before I have to be back in Canada? Damn, that's quick. Oh yeah, that's another thing I got. I got rid of my Google Chromecast. It was old. It was like 5 years old, I think, or more. And I ended up getting a Roku box, which is much better. It's got free TV channels on it and everything. I just got to figure out if I can get this remote to be paired with my other Bose remote. That one. So I can run it all through one remote, but it's pretty sweet. It's got free TV channels, like I said, and everything, since my digital antenna isn't working anymore. I don't know what happened to it. I need a ladder to look at it. So maybe the wires just got snipped or something when I backed up into a tree or something. I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that Roku box. It's so nice to have TV again. I just like having it on for background noise sometimes. As much as I don't really watch TV, but it's nice to have Netflix and everything else on there since I have my Starlink back. Woo! Alright, we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, here's the new home for the Starlink for now. It's just on the magnets, but man, it's held down really strong. Plus I put it behind the fan, so block a little bit of wind. But yeah, it's on there, that's for sure. Nice. Yeah, I just have the cable running down here, zip tied it to some other wires down there and around the corner, and then it goes through the back door and into the 12 volt port at the back. We're running on 12 volts right now. So sweet. Oh, I gotta wash this, it's so muddy up here. Holy cow. Anyhow, that's cool. Yeah. Alright, made it to Los Algodones. Just came over here to make sure that the Starlink was still in the same position on my roof, which it is. Woohoo. The magnets work. I like it. Alright, let's go to Mexico and get this work done. Alright, finally done. Got teeth. No. And we're out of here. Hopefully the lineup isn't too long at the border. It's 11 a.m. It's a little later than I was hoping. But hopefully the line isn't long. Let's go check it out. wasn't bad at all. It was about a 20-minute lineup at the most, maybe 15, maybe 10, I don't know. It went quick. Yeah, we are out of here. We are done with Mexico for the season until next year when I come back for cleaning. Well, perfect. I hope Miss Uma is okay. She's been in the van for about 2.5 hours. I did turn the air conditioning on just in case. I set it to like 28 Celsius. Didn't want to use it all up, but I think she'll still be good. So yeah, we are done. We are done with Los Algodones for this year. Let's go to the van. Something else I was getting all paranoid about. Even on Wednesday, a couple days ago when I was crossing the border, I saw on social media, on TikTok actually, that they weren't allowing U.S. residents back into the States. With all this political bullshit going on, so I was a little worried about getting back in. So I brought my FMM form just in case I needed it. Didn't need it. So it's all good. And yeah, today's lineup went well. Like I said, I didn't want to stay as long as I did. At least the lineup wasn't that bad. So yeah, we are back to the van and we are out of here. Back to Yuma. Just gotta check on Miss Uma. Hi, Uma. Hi. Look at you with all the slug on your nose. What you doing? Did you miss me? Who's a good girl? Yeah, it's not hot in here. I don't even think the air conditioning came on, did it? That's her tail hitting the cupboards. Hi. Hi, baby. All right, let's go. Holy cow, I should have got a ladder a long time ago. This is awesome having a ladder. Got my whole roof cleaned, got all the Baja dirt off it. Solar panels are all cleaned up. Starlink working like a charm up there. That's perfect the way it is. It uses 2 amps of power on 12 volts, which is freaking amazing. So yeah, 24/7 internet. And yeah, solar panels are cleaned. I even cleaned off the roof. It's really hard to get to above the windshield there. Yeah, all the bugs that have been up there all season, haven't been able to get them off. Up there is all nice and clean. I like it. All right, I think that's it for my chores this week. Time to relax now. Anyhow, I think that's it, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, I really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.